Alright, so it actually turned out very nice, especially with the this customization I did to my belt on the channel before. Basically, I took an old belt that had stretched out and was basically approaching the end of its life. I took that belt and I added some stitching parallel across the whole thing, just to strengthen it, how to extend the life, because I've been on my grind before, and I'll link to that video. But it matches really nicely. How would you carry it though, inside the sheath? Like, I carry it typically like this, with the top bolster that has the pivot pin inside, and I don't carry it so that when I pull it out I can just do that. That's a plus. But I want to protect this bolster side, because the alternative is to kind of carry it like that. And if I were to do that, and I've been in environments before where I'm rubbing up against a brick wall or the floor, the asphalt, and just knocking something, and I don't really want to damage that bolster up top that houses like the pivot. You see what I'm saying? So typically that's why I do that, but I carry it like this. So I really like it. Other than that, small buck, big sack. And then this through night. This is the through night TH2O Pro. It comes with a headlamp accessory, so it's just basically like a headband, and you can pivot it up and down. I'm going to create some kind of webbing lanyard to carry this much more comfortably, because I like this. I used to carry one that had a key ring on the top at least, and I should just be able to hang it from my keys like this and kind of just walk around. Like, you feel me? How convenient that is? Not for every situation, but trust me. You're just walking around. Guard duty type shit. But, yeah, so let me know. How would you carry this? Did you ever think about that? Did you just carry it like this so that you can draw it fast and kind of... I've seen people do that. They think they're cowboys. Hey, sometimes I think I'm a cowboy too, but... do you carry it like that just to be a cowboy? If you do, then you're freaking protecting your bolster also, because that's the reason I do it. Or do you carry it like this because you feel like traditionally the bottom, it should be tipped down? I don't know. Let me know.